guys, look at this girl. What are you doing, Alice? Actually, she did it by herself. She went, took my bag, took this plastic bag out of it, and wear it on her feet. Sorry, we just woke up.
Papa?
Papa? You're looking for Papa? Alice, this is a very creative decision.
Wow.
Wow. I thought Alice to say wow. So time to time she can say wow.
Wow.
Just look at this couple, guys. They laugh. Like, Akemi was laying down here and Alice came. They're just together. Two sisters. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Very well, Akemi. Akemi and I are checking a new parcel, so I have ordered some cleaning stuff. Honestly, I have seen it in the videos of one Polish bloggers, and she really recommended it. Akemi is really interested, but I'm not allowing her to come close because it's chemicals. So basically, this is for the toilet. This is the Akemi. This is like a cleaner, and this is more like a disinfectant cleaner. I don't know, I have never used such a brand before, but since it was recommended by Polish blogger, I have decided to try. I ordered it at Allegro a few days ago, and it arrived very soon. Also, I have ordered this tight to-go pants. This is a lifesaver for us. Like back in Taiwan, we used to use it a lot. It's very convenient. You just put this pen in your bag. It's good for trips. And if any stains, Akemi, don't. Then you just wash the stain with this pen. And yes, of course, once you're back, you have to wash it in a washing machine. But still, just for a trip or for like, you know, any stains when you're outside, this is really great. We did not find any of this in Belarus, but here I saw it at Allegro and I have decided to order. Kim is such a curious. Time to time we do like to order McDonald's, and lately they've got this new hamburger with jalapeno. Have you guys tried it? I really love it. And also these Maestro burgers are really good. Usually we take these ones. I don't know, do you guys like McDonald's as well time to time? So while I was at McDonald's, Vitaly was checking the pressure in the tires, and right now he's waiting for me at the parking of McDonald's. By the way, they do have plenty of space outside here to sit. I didn't know that there are umbrellas here right in the door. So if it's rainy and you forgot to bring your umbrella, it is always in the door. So it's here and in that door. Vitaly was playing with Alice, and look what kind of game he engaged her at. This was really amazing. Like, since she's going to Slovak, she can play with herself without engaging anyone, and maybe for 30 minutes or so. Look how interested she is. So she took the puzzles. There are some fruits there like pineapples, apples or pears. So she puts it in a pot and then puts it on the plate and then back to the pot to the plate. That's very interesting. Every time she's so much into game, I'm thinking, what is she thinking about, like, while playing? Probably there is some story going on in her head, right?
Nah.
Today is the last Sunday of March and we are switching to the summertime in Poland. So today Alice woke up 5:50 a.m. and actually, according to the summertime, it's already 6:50. And here Akemi is watching out of the window and Alice is playing with this little house with toys. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it.